So hi guys, I think it's August the 2nd 2024 and we've got a new project. Now I was doing a bat survey down in Hampshire the other day, and the guy, he had quite a lot of old machinery and stuff lying around, and he was getting a bit older, and we got on quite well. And then he took me around the back of one of the sheds, and he had this little Petter pump. It's a water pump. It's one of these diaphragm water pumps. And he said it'd been sat there for years, and he said if I wanted it I could just take it there and then. So I said, oh okay, I'll take that. And so we loaded it in the back of the car. Luckily these aren't too heavy, so we managed to hump it into the back of the car, and that was good. It was a bit dirty and greasy and stank the car out of diesel on the journey back to Western Supermed, but anyway, we got it. So this is a Spate 3B induced flow pump. Now this is made by Selwood Limited down in Chandler's Ford, which is near Southampton, so it wasn't far from where it was actually manufactured. I've actually taken the pump off. I got a bit couldn't wait basically, so I've taken the pump off, had a bit of a look at it. Don't really know too much about these things, so I did briefly take these bits off, and there's like rubber diaphragm type things in there, and I think it kind of pulsates or something. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you, so maybe someone might know a bit more about these. I'll have to try and do a bit more research. But there's the drive off the engine there. It's got those three kind of pegs, then 3 holes, and that's how it corresponds. They slide in, so it's got quite like a sort of semi-flexy drive, a little bit flexy because they've got rubber bushes in them. So that just slots onto there. As I say, this is the little Petter AA1, which is a 219cc diesel engine, air cooled. This is the smallest engine, I believe, ever made by Petter. And I believe these were made from about 1962 to about 1994, I think. It's a very small, dinky little diesel engine, air cooled, like I was saying. And these were used on multiple things. Pumps, obviously, as it is a pump here, multiple applications, that was the word I was looking for. So yeah, generators, pumps, little mini rollers, what else, whacker plates, things like that, where it needed quite a small engine with only like a low horsepower, you know, like 3 or 4 horsepower at the most. Nice little engine though, aluminium. Let's have a quick look at it. It's got an oil filter there. There's the injector pump. That's the fuel overflow. I've taken it off at the moment. What else here? That's the rocker cover. I think round here is the that's the speed. That's the speed you can set it at, on off. Now, I haven't actually even got this engine running yet because I didn't have a starting handle, but I have got a starting handle now. This model's got the reduction gear to start it. So you just put the starting handle in there, then you put that in. A bit difficult one hand doing that, goes in there like that, and then you lift it up, and then you kind of, it goes up, and then you can, there it engages, so makes it a bit easier for starting. Managed to get a starting handle for 30 odd quid. So yeah, it's on a little frame with a wheel. That wheel's seen better days, hasn't it? I think this one probably dates from the 1970s, but I believe these are still in production, so I've got to find out a bit more about it. There's one thing I'm not sure though. This is the water inlet and outlet, I think. If we look, I reckon that's the water suction, and that's where it comes out. Now these things are supposed to suck to about 8 meters. They'll lift water 8 meters, but we're going to use it to pump water to my friend's pond. We built a pond, but it goes down a little bit in hot weather, and he's got a stream nearby, so the intention is to pump water up from the stream into the pond every now and again. That's what we're hoping. He's got all these Chinese pumps at the moment, which he's conked out at the moment, so we're going for something British. But it's got that on there, but it's missing on there. Now, I don't really know what that is. What can that be? Is that some sort of pressure relief valve? I can't get that nut off. There's a bunch of bolt, but it's rusted in at the moment. I did heat it up, but I didn't want to tempt fate, so that stayed on for now. I was going to take it off and have a closer look at it because I can't really tell. It's got like a, oops, it's got like a bit of rubber there, but when I tipped water in the other side, it didn't leak out of there, so it's sort of airtight. And that, I say that one's missing on that side, so don't know what that is. Maybe I'll have to ring up Selwood next week and find out. Anyway, that's just a quick update. Oh, actually, there was one other thing. The fuel tank. It's in a bad way, the fuel tank. Look at that. So I'm going to try and get another fuel tank, but in the meantime, I'm going to try and carry a repair out on that. The metal's gone very thin around there. I think it was just sat for so long, must have been some water in there, and it's rotted it right out. So we're going to clean that up and try and glass fibre that with the matting. So I'll show you that a bit later, see if it works out. We'll wire brush that right back to bare metal and see if we can do a bit of a bodge up on that to get us out of trouble, see if we can start it up. Because I say I haven't started this up yet. It may not even work, maybe something's wrong with it. But I'm confident it's got good compression and it turns over freely. So look, we'll do that. So for now, that is the end of this video. So enjoy the weekend, guys. It's sunny down here in Weston-super-Mare. So we're going to go in the hot tub and have a bit of fun in the garden later. Over and out. Bye.